Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Learning Made Easy Peasy. Today I'm here with an amazing easy peasy dessert, which is the almond and rice pudding. I hope you are going to enjoy the video. Before moving on to the recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the like button and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the recipes as soon as they are uploaded. And if you like the video, do try it. Tell us in comments how it came out and do share it with your family and friends. This is a very simple and easy recipe. I hope you're all going to love it. Let's move on to the recipe. In a blender, add 12 almonds, 4 tablespoons of washed rice, seeds of 5 cardamom pods, half cup of water in a blender. Now blend it to a smooth paste. After blending it, I am going to take out in a bowl. Now our rice and almond paste is ready. Now in a deep pan, add 1.5 liter of milk. Add to it almost 1 cup of sugar. You can adjust sugar according to your taste. To it, add the almond and rice paste. Stir it well with the help of a spoon or a whisk. Once you are done with the mixing, turn on the flame to high and bring the milk to a boil. Lower the flame after the milk comes to a boil and keep stirring every 2 to 3 minutes so that the rice won't stick to the bottom of the pan. I hope you have seen the previous videos as well. If not, do visit the channel Learning Made Easy Peasy. If you like the video, do try it and tell us in comments how it came out. And don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Moving on to the recipe, I am going to cook it until it gets thick. It's going to take about 40 to 45 minutes as we are cooking it on low flame. Once the desired texture is reached, we are going to take it out in a serving bowl. To check the texture or the consistency of the pudding, I am going to take a spoon, dip it in the pudding, cool it down and let it drip off the spoon. Our pudding is almost ready. I am going to cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes and then turn off the flame. Our pudding is perfectly done, so I am going to turn off the flame and take the pudding out in the serving bowl. I am going to garnish the pudding with some almonds. I am done with the garnishing. I am going to keep it in the refrigerator for about 4 to 5 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, our pudding will be ready to be served. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Do try the recipe. Tell us in comments how it came out. Enjoy and share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.